Unexpected. Really good. Unexpected, totally. We're still hiking. It's what you imagine with a hike in the mountains, I think. You go up, you go down, and
You're all about up.
yeah. But you have a gorgeous view, which is nice. Which is quite a good reason to do such a hike. And yeah, look at this. It's probably not as nice as I see it, but it's something. People home watching this from their mobile, computer, iPad, or other devices. Maybe somebody watches this from their refrigerator. That would be fun. Why would you do that though? That's just stupid. Don't watch this on your refrigerator. Come on. Get yourself with the program. Just watch it on your mobile or iPad or phone, laptop. Okay. It's just filling time. Bye.